a continuation of RNAV 23 Cumberland. Now we've got the glide path. The magenta diamond is captured. And we have gear extended, notch flaps. And we're scrolling down to 120 knots. So we should call 6 mile final.
Cumberland traffic, November 25, Papa Foxtrot to jet prop 6 miles final for runway 23. And that's about 2 minutes out.
6, yeah, or 5.5 now.
Yeah, 3 minutes.
2.5 minutes.
Traffic, Twin Otter 9 Tango Sierra. We are through 4,500, about 2.5 miles south of the field. We're 45 right downwind for runway 8, Orange County. Use caution. If you could fly a wide left downwind, that'd be great. We got parachutes in the air. 4,500 below. They're landing in the field just north of the runway. Use caution. Parachute activity, Orange County.
Everybody's out today.
Central aircraft to Sydney of Gooden Air Park. Central aircraft to Sydney of Gooden Air Park. Skydivers will be away in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, the jumper's way over good.
Okay, so LPV minima is NA for Alpha and Bravo aircraft.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, that's the special LPV.
Special LPV,
There's, yeah, okay, so we're
10:23
10:23 and 3/4. All right, very good. That was a surprise.
Cumberland traffic, jet prop 25, Papa Foxtrot, 4 mile final for runway 23, 2 minutes out.
Cumberland traffic, yellow car 31815 approaching from the west. Maneuver for a 45 entry to land on runway 5, Cumberland traffic.
And Cumberland traffic, jet prop 25, Papa Foxtrot's on a 1 minute final for runway 23, about a mile and a half out, 25 Papa Foxtrot.
All right, field's in sight. Runway appears clear. We have 3 green. And with 20 flaps, and that's okay with me. If you want more, that's okay too.
Yeah, we'll get more now because we are a little bit high.
Okay.
It's a weird visual with this drop off before the runway.
Yeah. Looking good. Looking for 90 over the numbers, 85 in the flare. That's looking good. Okay, stop it right here, stop it. Oops, don't climb, hold it still now. Yep, right there, sweet, nice recovery. Back pressure brakes, and oops, keep the nose up to keep the wheels from skipping when you put the brakes on. Good job. Welcome to Cumberland. Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
Cumberland Yudcom 31815, what is your current active runway?
Train off it.